from the, like, what is the parameterization?
What values we can through keyboard
Yes,
is called parameterization.
like, yeah, so that's fine. What is the process of parameterization? Okay, we can first of all find the parameterization value and select that parameterization value. Click on right button and replace with parameter and create parameter and give the parameter name. And after that, select from the parameter type. It is a file or date and time iteration number. We have the different type. So based on that, you need to select and click on properties. In the properties, you need to click on edit with notepad, and how much data you want, you need to keep that data, and you can click on close and click on OK, and click on if you want replace, you can replace all, otherwise no. So that is the parameterization process. Okay. So now, okay, everyone able to see my screen, right? So for example, yesterday I did script, okay, but that script I saved and I closed it. So how to we can open again? We need to record, means that will be take time, right? So same script you want to work means, so first of all it will save the where it is saved, you want to know first of all. Okay, in our PC, in the documents, we have the views, and in that scripts. So yesterday I did from the this one. See 722 I did modification yesterday. So you need to open this one. So if you click this, and we can see the this is the our script we need to open, means this is the virtual user you want to open. See, you can observe virtual user symbol also will be there. You can click on double click, then our script will open in the virtual user generator. Okay, na? So if you want to from any scripting enhancements, all means we need to go to our folder, and you should open from the our script like this. So no need to do from the every time record, every time no need. So you can go to there and you can check from the your script. If you miss anything, by mistake you closed, you can go to the your script folder and open from the using from the virtual user generator. So yesterday we seen parameterization. It is a very simple concept only, I told, right? So apart from yesterday, we have the other things also will be there. I will explain from the other things also. Okay. And see, we did from the up to from this, but we need from the date and time also will be there. Yesterday I am not did from the date and time. Okay. This date and time. Okay. Date and time, how to we can do, miss, that is also same thing. You can select this. Okay. What is this format? 1203. What is the format? That is the month and date, or date and month.
Date and month.
Date and month. Okay. So first of all, you need to select that. Click on right button. Same way. Okay. And replace with parameter. Click on create new parameter. And give the parameter name. So what is the parameter name? Expiry date. So you need to give from the same expiry date. So you can give from the okay. And this is the file type or date and time. File type or date and time.
Date and time.
So in the property, we need to select from the date and time. And you can observe after that, click on properties. So if you open date and time parameterization, we are able to see the like this. This is the date and time. And so these are the very important for us. So our application, when developer developed from this application, expire date they are giving from the format. Okay, DD or DD or DDYY. So means that is the format will be there. So which format, our format, you need to select from that format in here. For example, what is our format? Month and year or date and month? Month and year. Okay, I selected month and year. You can observe if I selected month and year, so it is a current date it will showing. Yes or no? So because
Sir.
1203 already it is expired. But if it is expired card, using the expired card, we can book the anything. No, right? So month, date and time, why we are doing from the parameterization means majorly. So the date will expire also. If you done the parameterization after 1 year, you are execute also. What is the current date will be there? That date it will displayed here. Okay. For example, you don't have from the format, from the actually application expecting from the format. So if it is not also, we can edit the format also here. For example, I want from the month. Okay, you can give from the percentage month. And for example, you want from the minus symbol, like, okay, and year YY, percentage YY, percentage YY. So you can observe how many Y? Okay, 1Y is fine. See, 724 means as per our convenient, which format we want, we need to edit also possible here. But right now is what is the format? So this is the our format. Yeah, so like we can means ourself as per our convenient, we want which format we want, we can edit also. For example, you have the time also will be there. You can select from the like this. It is a like you can observe here, year, month, date, and hours, minutes, seconds also it is coming. Milliseconds also it is coming. So means you can observe current date and current time, it is displayed in from the there. So based on from the our application, which format it will support, you need to use that format. Okay. For example, now our format will be month and date. It will there, not there. You can month and year. Sorry, month and year. So same this format for us, right? So that is why I selected this, and here we can select from the like each iteration. Okay, and close and click on OK. It is asking from the like replace point of view. Click on no. See, expire date is done. So just execute once. So just if you execute this once, just you can save this and replay this button. See, one time executed, script will pass. First thing we need to observe from the date and time. It is we did, it is picked or not, you need to observe. Yeah, you can observe wherever we are done, expire date param 724. So as per your expected, we have got right expire date. Maybe so means date and time means you need to do from the this way. But every time is current date is correct, because maybe my expire date will be 25th or 26th also will be there. Year of 26. So at that time, how to we can do the date and time parameterization. Because if you did from the regular way, how I did, it is every time is the current date is picking. But I want from the future date. Maybe sometimes past date also we need. For example, date of birth will be there. So someone date of birth is a 1994. So you want to go to the 1994 means you want from the what? Past date. But when you did from the parameterization, you will capture from the current date. Like what is the today date you will get. So that point of view, we want from the future date or past date or current date means you can do current date means directly how we did, you can do it. Otherwise, we want from the past or future date means, so you can go to the parameterization, what value you did, you can go there. And here, after format everything is completed, we have the year offset will be there. Okay. So for here offset, when you are enable the offset, and here you can observe, here we have the 0 days. Means how many days you want from the future date. And we want from the time also, future date, any changes like hours also. Exactly, I want from the hours also. Means you can select that. And working days only. Means I want only from the working days. So first of all, we'll observe. Okay, future date. Okay, I will give from the 3 days. Okay, 5 days I will give. And which date it will pick, you can observe. So you can save this and execute. See, your script will be passed. Now you can see the what date it is picked is important for us. So now you can observe which date is picked. 7/24. Sorry, date no, right? So we want from the minimum month we will change means we need to give from the more days. Again, go to the parameters and like we'll give from the 10 days at least, because month already today's are 24, right? After 7 days it will be our next 2 month will be come, so you can change that and save this and again replay. So again we'll observe, see which month, 8th month is came, right? Future date, everyone able to hear? Future date it will came, yes or no? Hello, everyone
Yes,
will be
sir.
there? Yes. So
Yes, sir.
means future date means we need to do from the this way. Like you can check from the offset and how many days you want future. Maybe you want year means you can give from the 365 days. And again you can save this and again will run. So it will pick from the now 24 is there, right? 25 it will come. We'll see. Okay, go to the output. So everything we need to, if you got error or anything, we need to observe where you want to observe means the output window only we can see. See, you can observe expire date, 7th month 25. So this is the way we need to do from the future date. Maybe it's fine. Future date we can do it because we have the know that okay, we can enable and we need to give from the number of days. But here working days only means it is not count from the Saturday and Sunday. Okay, that is the one thing. That is fine. But I want from the now period to current date, like past date I want. So if you want from the past date, you need check from the this same and how many days you want or how many years you want, you need to give from that day and you need to check the period to current date. What is the current date? Last time we got 7/24. So now what we can do? We are giving from the 365 and close this and run. So past date it will come or not, you can observe. Past date means now 24, right? You will get from the 23 also. See 7/23. So current date minus how many days you are given, that is count. Okay. So what is the current date? 7/24 is the current month and year. So we are given from the 1 year past. So that is why 23 it is picked. So now it's clear, everyone, what is the how to do the future date, past date?
Yeah.
Is everyone? Prasanna, Krishna,
Yes, sir.
Prasad.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
means based on from the our requirement, we need to do from the this way. You want to future date means you can do future date. Past date means past date. You can do from the this way. We can do from the okay date and time parameterization. Okay, you guys can practice very well. Like you can give from the not this application. You can use from the web tour application. So in the web tour application, we can see the date, exactly dates will be there. So there you can do from the day way also. One day you can give before, one day past. We can give from the days also we can give. But here we have the only from the month and year will be there. That is why I did from the month and year only. But we want from the date also, means we can give from the date also, future date we can give, past date also we can get. Because you can observe here, if we are giving from the year, not years, only days. You can observe, we are giving from the days. If you give from the one, it is a 1 day. It will be, if you select from the period to current date, what date it will pick? Past or future? Krishna?
It's current date means past only, right?
Yes, current date. So means no, you when you are select from the period to current date, it will be obviously it is going to the past date. If you uncheck this, okay, it will go to the future date. Okay, why we are doing also, everyone is clear, or can I explain from the like little bit in notepad? Okay, I will give from the example notepad. Okay. Okay, why we are doing means, see for example, our credit card only. If you give from the current date, current month, maybe what will happen next month, this month will be expire. If it is expire, I can book the anything, or I can book the pet or anything. No, right? If you did from the parameterization today, and if you execute from the next month also, it will obviously it will change from the 8/24. If you do from the after 3 years also, automatically it will change from that. Because we are doing from the date and parameterization, then current it will pick. Okay, that is the like future past point of view. It will future point of view. This is the example. Okay, past. Okay, someone will be 19, otherwise 2000 is the date. But when you did from the parameterization, it is the picked from the 2024. Then if you do from the, it is a correct one, it is picked when you did from the parameterization? No, because 24 years will be, difference will be there. So means what we can do? We can do from the current date minus 24 years back. Then you will get from the 2000. So this situation point of view, we can very useful from the date and time parameterization. One thing very important, in your script, it is the date and time will be there. We need to, definitely you need to do. Otherwise, your script will be fail in the, if it is expired, the date, it will be fail. Got it? So this is the date and time parameterization. And going to the next point, I think I'm stopping from here only because okay, date and time parameterization is completed, and yesterday parameterization we did. But all are not done properly, okay, you guys can do from the one by one. Otherwise, I'm giving from the one day only 2 scripts, you right? No need from that. I will give from the only one script. That is also web tour script. I'm giving from the web tour script only. Okay. In the web tour script, okay, I have any web tour script. I will show that also. Okay. Yeah, some old one I'm opening for just your understanding point of view. You can go to the parameters. Okay. I'm not done any parameterization. Okay. Okay. First of all, you can understand the script. Okay. Okay. See how I recorded. This is the launch one I recorded. And after that, login. And we are given from the login details like username and password. So this username password Jojo bin will be like default one. Okay. And means you need to do from the Jojo bin parameterization because we are entering through keyboard. And after that, you can observe what we are doing. We are clicking on the flight. If we click on the flight means just we are clicking. So no, we are not entering any data. So here we don't have from the any value to the parameterization. And come to the next. See, this is the web submit data. And here what we are doing, London. We are not selecting. We are selecting from the application. So we are not do the parameterization and departure date is there. So now you can observe using this, you can do from the parameterization and date also we can do from the past and future also we can do. And we have the return date also will be there. And you can do from the these two also. And Windows else this will be, we are selecting. And here you can observe. So only like after that, this is the first name, last name, address one, others two. These all values you need to do from the parameterization. Expect like up to this. Why? Because I will open the our web tour URL and you can understand. Okay. First of all, you need to open the web tour URL. You need to open the our server and minimize this and open browser, any browser, and open our URL. Okay. So this is the our URL, right? You can copy paste it and open also. You can say control V and open. See now we can observe launch. We are doing from the launch. Jojo and B. Means these two we can do the parameterization. And after that, we are just clicking flight button. And here you can observe Denver, this value, like departure city, area city, we are selecting. So we no need to do from the correlation and parameterization. But you can observe this departure date and return date we are entering. So as per our coordinate, we can enter also. And this number of passenger also we are entering. But going to the seating preference type of seat, we are selecting. So we are no need to do from the parameterization and click on continue. And blue sky error. So these are the available flights. So just we are selecting. So next. And after that, this value we can enter and this value we are entering, this value, this value. So every value we are entering. So that is why each and every value, what values we are entering, what we can do from the parameterization and expire date and click on continue. See, close. So now you clear for this application. So everyone should record the web tour application with proper transaction names and do from the parameterization like username, password, along with the date and time parameterization also you need to do. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Thank you for joining, and we'll connect from tomorrow and we'll continue. Okay. So maybe I will ask from the tomorrow interview question also up to for that, like POC after onwards, everything up to parameterization also. Everyone prepare from the interview point of also tomorrow. Okay. Thank you for joining, and we'll meet from tomorrow and we'll continue our class. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Thank you.